exercise set 2.2 class 9th Ganit Manjari and chapter number 2 introduction to polynomial. Yes, question number 3 we are having at question number 3, that is saying that the present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. After 5 years their ages will add up to 70 years. Find their present age. So what it is saying कि जो सलील की मदर की एज है दैट इज़ 3 टाइम्स दी सलील्स प्रेजेंट एज. व्हाट वी विल डू दैट, लेट दी सलील्स एज, ओके, mind my language, my this writing. Salil's present age we will let it be x, and what will be the Salil's mother age back then. Salil's mother age, okay. I don't have that pen to write, so I'm writing with my finger, so that's why the ये अपनी जो that is writing is not that much good. So yes, Salil's mother age is 3 times Salil's present age. So 3 times of x is equal to 3x, right? So that will become 3x. So after 5 years Salil's age will become x plus 5. And what will be the Salil's mother age then? That will be 3x plus 5. Ignore the sound that is coming from the background. Now what question is saying, their ages will add up to 70 years after 5 years. So we will have to add them, x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, that is equal to 70. So we can write here, we will add them x, okay, so x plus 3x, that will become x, plus 3x, that will become 4x, plus 5 that will become 10 is equal to 70. We will solve this equation. 4x 70, that plus 10 will go there, minus 10. 4x is equal to 60, and that will become 15, right? So x is equal to 15. So right now the value of x is equal to 15, and that was the age of Salil. So find their present age. If Salil is of 15 years, then what will be the age of his mother? So his mother will be 15 multiply 3, that is 15 3 ja 45. So age of Salil's mother will be 45.